If you are researching holiday resorts for your next summer holiday, find out what Cala Mallorca is really like. In this video, I will take a look at the pros and cons of booking a holiday to Cala Mallorca and what the resort is really like for a holiday. Mallorca, the largest of Spain's Balearic Islands, is a paradise for travelers seeking a mix of stunning landscapes, rich culture, and vibrant nightlife. One of the island's gems is Cala, a charming seaside town known for its beautiful beaches, picturesque marina, and relaxed atmosphere. Here's a detailed description of what makes Mallorca, and specifically Cala, a must-visit destination, along with insights into capturing its beauty through drone footage. Natural beauty. Mallorca boasts a diverse landscape, from the rugged Serra de Tramuntana mountain range to the serene beaches and coves along its coastline. The island's natural parks, such as Mondrago Natural Park, offer hiking trails and birdwatching opportunities, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Cultural richness. The island is steeped in history, with ancient ruins, Gothic cathedrals, and charming villages. Palma, the capital, is home to the stunning La Seu Cathedral and the Royal Palace of La Almudena. The island's cultural calendar is filled with festivals, traditional markets, and local fiestas that provide a glimpse into Mallorcan life. Culinary delights. Mallorca's cuisine is a delightful blend of Mediterranean flavors. From fresh seafood to traditional dishes like sobrasada, a cured sausage, and ensaimada, a sweet pastry, the island's culinary offerings are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Local markets and seaside restaurants provide ample opportunities to savor these delights. Cala, a seaside. Beaches and coves. Cala is renowned for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. The town is dotted with small coves, each with its unique charm. Cala Gran, Cala Ferrera, and Cala Esmeralda are some of the most popular spots, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing under the sun. Picturesque marina. The marina in Cala is a hub of activity, with luxury yachts, waterfront restaurants, and boutique shops. It's an ideal place for an evening stroll, enjoying the sunset, or dining with a view of the harbor. Relaxed atmosphere. Unlike some of the more bustling tourist spots on the island, Cala offers a more laid-back vibe. The town's whitewashed buildings and narrow streets create a charming and tranquil environment, perfect for a relaxing getaway. Capturing Cala with drone footage. Aerial views. Drone footage provides a unique perspective of Cala stunning coastline. The aerial views of the turquoise waters, sandy beaches, and rugged cliffs are breathtaking. Flying over the marina, you can capture the beauty of the yachts and the vibrant waterfront scene. Best spots for drone photography. Cala Gran, the largest beach in Cala, offering expansive views of the coastline. Cala Ferrera, known for its clear waters and rocky surroundings, perfect for dramatic shots. Marina de Cala, capturing the marina from above showcases the blend of natural beauty and human activity. Tips for drone enthusiasts. Check regulations. Ensure you are aware of local drone regulations and obtain any necessary permits. Weather conditions. Fly during calm weather to avoid turbulence and ensure clear footage. Respect privacy. Be mindful of people's privacy and avoid flying over crowded areas. Conclusion. Mallorca, with its diverse landscapes, rich culture, and culinary delights, is a top destination for travelers. Cala, with its beautiful beaches, charming marina, and relaxed atmosphere, is a highlight of the island. Capturing the beauty of Cala through drone footage offers a unique perspective and allows you to share the stunning scenery with others. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or simply looking for a relaxing beach holiday, Mallorca and Cala have something to offer everyone. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for videos and helping this channel.